Thokozani, Emankosini, Thokozani, Bokoko, Thokozani, Momkulu, Thokozani, everyone. So, okay, like I wanted to talk to you guys about something very, very, very important about going to like tinzawo letihloniphekile for whatever reason that you have to go there, kumbe say kuti I don't know udzinga ini kumbe ukhala ngani, I don't know, it might be you going to the water kumbe ehlathini kumbe enzabeni kumbe inside the cave nje, you understand. So another thing ngifuna ukukhumbuta yona ukuthi uzila kubaluleke kakhulu, so that wherever you are going uhambe ubuye, you understand. It's not only about you going there and receiving whatever you want, it's about also your safety, you going there and coming back, you understand. Because lapha uyohlangana nemaphawa lamakhulu, you're not going there to join them but to ask. You understand, you're not going there to join them. So kubalulekile ukuthi uzile and then ubatshele i-reason yakho for going there, you understand. Because yebo utoba joiner, but not now. So another thing really important ukuthi now uzila ne uzilile, fine, it's time for you to go there ne. Phatha amacoin akho, like now uthandaza, now uzila uthandaza and all that. Ibe uphethe makhandlela and your coins and then your stuff, naku ube ukuthandazela. Because awati ukuthi letinto leti betihleli kuphi, awumazi umuntu lotithengisayo ukuthi uthwele kangakanani or uloya kangakanani, right? Or does the person believe in the same things that you believe in? Awati ukuthi le mimoya lenamathelela kuleli khandlela injani, you understand. Awati ukuthi le mimoya lenamathelela elikhandlela or lesniff losithenga khona emakuleni, awati ukuthi lo mkula lo uyagula uganga kufika ku, you understand. So pray for your things, njengoba uzelela kuya enzabeni kumbe inside a cave or cave-ini ne, bahamba letinto takho ube utithandazela nato, so that le mimoya lebe inamathele kule mali, njengoba lo mkula kumbe wherever or whoever akutshintshele leyo mali, awumazi ukuthi uthembela kutukani lo muntu loyo. So njengoba ayipambile le mali akunika, kune energy lay that is transferred, or the that is transferred inside that money or on that money. Let me just say on that money ne. So pray for your things. Then now figure le ngani uzilile, and then you've prayed for your things as well. Now figure a cave-in, you don't just enter just like Emandini, you don't just enter. Now sasonzela, you throw your money, right? Make sure ukuthi le mali onayo like igcwele, so that ukhona ukuyiphosta tuketindzawo leti right as you approach, right? So as you approach uyayiphosa, uyakhuluma, ngimzibanibani wakasibanibani, ngite ngenzaba lesona sona ngicela ngamukela angetinto letibi nani. I'm just giving you an example ne, I'm not saying ukuthi ukhulume the way ngikhuluma ngakhona ne, but you can say some of the things that I'm saying uyibeke ngenhlonipho, right? Akuthi sinanazelo sakho yasatya nanazelo phosa ukhuluma ubike, and then naso yongena futhi. It might be Emandini kumbe lapha ekhevini kumbe la maybe bakubitele khona ne, I can say that as well. Uphosa uphosa leyo mali futhi, maybe leyo kugcina ephosa. Yakhuluma ukuthi ngale mali engiyakhanyisa indlela tamatikhanye, njengoba la ngifike kahle ngiphinde ngibuyele kahle emuva, right? Njengoba ngifike kahle lana ngiphinde ngibuyele kahle emuva. Lo ngikutele la ngicela ukuthi kuphetheke khanye njengale mali lena, uyangiva ukuthi ngithini. So don't just do things, don't just go and then go and pray somewhere utohamba ungabuyi, uhamba ungabuyi. Hlonipha, everything iyahlonishwa. So try and be humble, respectful. Ungakhathi makhona. I-preparation sometimes now prepare endlini ikusita ukuthini, say maybe you forget something now ufika lini, lokho kutokuvikela ukuthini already ubikile endlini, so bayadi already, you understand, in case you forget something, so that kude into lebi le yendakalako kuwe. I hope I'm making sense. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but ngiyacela, don't just be doing things. Kuyahlonishwa, ngiyacela, and then everything that you do uyayikhanyisela. Ukhanyisela ngani? Ngimakhandlela uyikhanyisela ngani? Ngabo 1 rand, 2 rand, 5 rand, 6, whatever coins that you might have, but it has to be silver coins. Ngiyavakala, silver coins. Ungabi na 5 bob. Uhamba ungabuyi nalo 5 bob wakho. Right? So yeah, I just wanted to tip you on that. Thokozani emakhosini, be blessed.